All right, so what's up, everybody? Dr. Craig Ingstrom here, but you can just call me Craig. So I'm so giddy. I just grabbed my microphone, switched on my camera. I just had to record this video. So I was poking around and just realized that Microsoft is giving rebates to people, just another way to earn money back for search. As you may know, I produced a video earlier on Bing Rewards and how I really like their search engine because they pay you back. I mean, hey, they're getting advertising out of you. They're collecting data on you. Shouldn't we be rewarded for what we're doing online? Well, Microsoft always has your back. So I thought I would jump on the PC and show you what I'm talking about. Let's get started. Okay, so as you can see here on the Bing homepage, one thing I like about them is they give you a nice, beautiful image to look at. And oftentimes these are from photographers that they select. So they actually elevate photographers' work. Anyway, so one thing I just wanted to highlight that I love Bing, and I use the Chromium, which is it's the Edge Chromium. This is just like Google Chrome. Anyway, go down and you can actually see that you can see the work that you're working on. So this is tapped into your Microsoft 365 infrastructure, just improving your productivity. But I'm going to switch over to my personal account, which is what I'm talking about. And as you can see, I've got a ton of points that I've built up. In that previous video, I showed you how you can go about doing a variety of activities to earn points every day. They reward you for search. You can convert these into like Microsoft gift cards. You can Starbucks gift cards. I often turn these into points that I give to students. But the thing is, when I went to my account, so click on that, and you can see that, it shows you your dashboard, and I was just poking along, or for some reason I saw this and I clicked on it, and I thought at first that this was like some kind of affiliate program because I do a lot of affiliate links, and I was like, what is this? So I clicked on it and it says like pending here, and it says Wondershare, which is Filmora, and I use Filmora for my editing. I have a link to them in the description if you're interested in the editing product that I use for my videos and so forth. And I probably purchased here some music or some sound effects or images or video, stock video. And yeah, I didn't even know that I was being rewarded. So I didn't expect to get paid, but I suddenly have $3 coming to me. So I was like, what is this all about? Go back to the dashboard. And as you can see, they've partnered with a variety of companies, and you can just kind of scroll through them. They have a lot of deals. But the really, really cool thing is, so I just, take Walgreens, for example. Love Walgreens as a company. And if you go to Bing Search and you search Walgreens and you're diving down and then you see this and you click on it, it says 6% cash back. So if I purchase something in that visit, I'm going to get 6% back. Maybe for select items, there's probably, always some kind of, conditions that might apply, but nevertheless, you're going to get something back. So likely what happened for me is I searched really quickly for Filmora, just kind of how you do that sometimes to get to a website. I was going to use it anyway. I was going to buy from them, but because I clicked the Bing search, I earned some rewards back. So yeah, rebates, you generally don't like them, but when you just get them because you're searching, that's super awesome. So thank you, Microsoft, for being so great. As you know, I'm totally biased towards Microsoft. Love their products. These aren't typically the kinds of videos I do, but when you're super excited about something, you just got to get it out to people and let them know. I do cover videos on productivity, efficiency, Microsoft 365, so it does fit. And yeah, I hope that you will start using Microsoft Search. It's a great search engine. I hope that you're collecting awards or rewards, and I hope that you will consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't. Until the next video, I hope that you have a wonderful day. Oh, and hit that like button. Bye.